Hello everyone, my name is Prateek and I'm a freelance colorist based in India. This is the second episode in a series of tutorials called Upgrade where I share color grading techniques and workflows I've found useful, and I hope you'll find them useful too. Today's topic will be about a time-saving tip when using frame handles in DaVinci Resolve. Let's first understand what frame handles are and why we need them. Frame handles are the extra portions of a clip before and after its in-out points in the timeline. In simple terms, it's the portion of a video clip beyond its used portion in the sequence. You can export clips with frame handles in the Deliver page when you switch to the Individual Clips mode. You will then have to scroll down and enter the number of frame handles. For example, if I set it to 24 frame handles, I will be able to render each individual clip in my timeline with 48 extra frames. That is 24 extra frames in the beginning and 24 extra frames in the end of each clip in the timeline. Rendering clips with frame handles usually helps when sharing the final color graded files back to the editor. That way, the editor will have some room to make some changes to the edit if needed, or add advanced transitions. Usually, the editor will tell you the number of frame handles they would like you to export the graded files with. Going back to the color page, I have a clip here in my timeline with a basic grade applied. Let's say I want to darken everything around the subject's face. So I'm going to use a power window to select the face, drag it and invert the selection. Then darken everything around the face. For the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to exaggerate the adjustment. If I go to the Deliver page and render this clip with frame handles, the face tracking data will not come through for the extra portions of the clip. This is because we have only tracked it for the in and out points of the clip in the timeline. When exporting clips with frame handles, tracking data of Power Windows and OFX plugins do not come through for the extra portions of the clips. Hence, some colorists manually extend the clips in the timeline and track the extra portions before export. But this is a time-consuming process. I am going to show you a method which will allow you to make the tracking data come through for the frame handles easily. In order to make it come through, you can go to the View tab and choose Show Current Clip with Handles. You will now be able to see every clip in the color page with frame handles. You can now track the face for the portions of the frame handles in the beginning and the end. After tracking, if I now render the clip with frame handles, the tracking data of the power window will be intact for the duration of the clip including the handles. Let me know how this technique I demonstrated in this tutorial works for you. If you have any requests for other tutorials, feel free to drop them below.